second lesson na. Isang oras pa lang naman. Marami na akong ginagawa. Hindi ko siya ma-multitask kasi nagda-download pa yung files. And then, saka ko siya malilipat ng laptop. But for now, I'm studying limit evaluations and stuff. It is 10:31 Monday, May 4. And today we're going to have a self-date. I also want to go to Get Ready With Me to buy some makeup because sale sila ngayon. So, wala akong pasok today, so yun lang naman plan ko today, to go to Get Ready With Me. And then, I don't know if I'm gonna watch a movie, pero parang gusto ko rin. I'm also gonna vlog. So, like, first time that I'm gonna vlog by myself. Actually, mas nahihiya ako pag may kasama ako. Pero at the same time, nalalabas ko kasi agad yung camera pag may kasama ako eh. Pero, let's see. Kasi okay din to eh. Pero sige, wait. I'm gonna change to a tube top. Tapos, sige natin. I think this is better. So, naka-jacket naman natin. This also works. Ta-da! Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's good. So I went to Get Ready With Me to buy some makeup. It's a sale, so why not? I also bought a color corrector for my cousin. We're gonna eat now. I'm looking for a place to eat. I don't have a mic, so I hope you can hear me. I'm looking for ramen Kuroda since I'm craving ramen. I don't know if I said it na. Forgot. Hindi na nakapag-video ng ganito kasi nalilimutan ko. My bad. I bought tickets for Devil Wears Prada. Mga 2:45 pa. Mga 2:30 ako pupunta dun. I don't know what to buy for mom though. Hindi ko nagpaalam na alamang ako. So, hindi siya mabayag eh. So, sinabi ko, Santa Rosa lang ako. So, I'm here. And she'll know. I'll post this on Insta, so... I have time to spare, so let's go to H&M! Even though wala akong bibili. Dapat sale lang. If not, hindi lang bibili. I'm here at KKV. Currently here in Tori. Tapos, naghanap lang ako ng... May nahanap kasi ako sa Shopee na, ano siya, cover siya for pillows. Meron here, kasi mas mahal siya. So, discounted sa Shopee. So, I think doon na ako bibili. It's this one. May isa pa eh. Kapresyo niya neto yung isa. I think yun na lang bibili ako. There's a lot of good tableware. Okay, let's get out of here. Because I'm looking for BU. I don't know where it is. BIU. It's BU. Parang some KKV. But it's a new one. Nahanap ko yun. So for that, I don't know where to go. I don't know the exit. I don't know where the exit is. I'm confused. It's the exit. I think. Okay, I'm home. Ayun na pa ako. I'm gonna give you a haul of my Get Ready With Me. So, I bought some things in BU. Ano lang siya? Foundation puff. One for me and one for my mom. May case na rin siya. This was only 49 pesos. They gave me samples of the daily skin tint. And the free cushion tint. I don't know what shade this is, but oh! Wait. I haven't tried anything that's purple. Okay. And then I bought this Because I really wanted parang a colorful eye makeup. Wala pa akong lagayan na get ready with me. So I think this was a sign. So I got Naomi. Kasi I really wanted a parang cool blue tone na eyeshadow. So yeah, I bought that. This is for Ate. Light peach. It's a color corrector. And then this is also for Ate. This is Cola lip contour. Okay, magkapares kami ng binili sa bag. Ginamit ko na. And then, I think yeah, yun lang naman yung binili ko. That's it for the haul. I will get pangbahay na. And I think this will be the last video for today. Actually, ngayon ko lang napansin. Mukha akong manonood ng Michael. Oh my god. Yung pan ko from beach, nandito pa rin. So, I don't really know how to fix that. Anyways. Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
To the ice cream.
What are we gonna do?
Eat ice cream.
There's
Buy it, obviously. Take a ride.
here?
Yes.
Wala ko dun pa sa gitna.
Gitna. Doon yung may gitna ko.
Saan ba mas malapit?
Dito
Near
po.
the clubhouse or there?
Near the club.
O, doon na tayo.
Hehe, sorry. Tricky. Hehe.
I'm still in my pajamas.
What?
I'm still in my pajamas.
What's pajamas?
Pajamas. These pajamas.
Hehe.
Wala na. Box? Di ko po saan din sa box. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I have no underpants.
Get mo na.
It's bleach. I want to see what's down. You want to see like it's done without looking.
We're currently waiting for Inasal.
Yeah. What?
Nagugutom ang bata. Stop
Stop.
shouting.
Ganda lang po na to.
I'm home! Girl, grabe ang init ng mundo. Ang init ng Pilipinas, ang init ng Laguna, ang init ng buong mundo. Anyways, puta. Yeah. Ano ka story yun? Stand by, I shine, stay by. Hi guys! Long time no see. Tagal ko na nag-vlog ata. I am nag-aayos ngayon kasi pupunta kami yung Nuvali. Actually, I don't like my fit. Palit ako. But anyway, sobrang init. I don't know what to do. Here's this STP ulit. I don't know what's my hairstyle today kasi sobrang init talaga! The fit, I think. Okay lang na yan. Casual fit. Nakaboots naman ako, so wala na yan. Ganyan. Should I wear it? Okay.
Wait, we're still doing daddy.
Gusto ko yun. Oh my God, tama na. Naka 600 na po siya, guys. Naka 600 na siya. I repeat, naka 600 na siya. Hello. Fit check muna tayo. Top from Uniqlo. Shorts, I don't know where. Boots from Collie Springs. Yung nakapag-vlog ng vertical. Ng horizontal, masyado. Puro what do you call this? Vertical. Hindi masyadong horizontal. There's a lot of things here. I'm getting overwhelmed. Ikaw? Pili ka?
Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Sorry. My fault.
Suwi ka.
I'm currently here outside. Uniqlo alone. Wala nang pick-up coffee, sadly. Tapos, puro kids na lang here outside. Wala bawal drink sa loob. And I still have my Jamba Juice. So, I'm gonna stay here until I finish my Jamba Juice. Currently, car watching. So, yeah. By the way, I need a better mic. This is too big.
Saan mo eh?
Ayaw to.
Ha?
Ayaw. We're going home. Shit, wait lang. Paano ng tubig mo ate?
Narinig ko ba sa akin?
Hi guys. It's 6:46. Kanina I was studying around 2:40 something. 2:50. Mga 2:30 siguro I was studying. Tapos ngayon I'm just journaling kasi I'm just writing my thoughts. I don't know what's happening to me.
Kanina, tapos sabi ko, McDo, tapos sasabihin niyo, ayun pala yun. Deliver na lang talaga. Naisip nila na ako pagkain. Kaya magbangga. Bigla ako kasi nawala. Decide lang ako. Bigla kasi kayo ng 7-Eleven. Hindi ka na, Ben.
Dito namin tayo sa off-road. Hindi mo na madali yun.
Tapos lahat ng decimal mo, rounded off lang into decimal places, dito sa space na to. Yan. So ito naman, yung sample ng Gosh Receipts Boy.
Hi guys, it's the last day of May and we're going to Santa Rosa today with family. Anyways, I think hindi ko masyado nakapag-vlog ng May. Kasi wala talagang anything special na nangyari ng May. Walang masyadong ganap. So mostly parang mga short forms lang yung na-film ko. It's fine. I think getting ready, it's 12:56. Nanonood lang ako ng mga YouTube videos. We're going to Sunny's muna.
Alam mo, first time ko.
Wala to. Grayscale.
Di bagay sa... Pero ba? So kasi na ano, American. Alin? Tara, tara. Mukhang mga secrets. Mukhang secrets.
You nailed it. Never fails.
I could use my phone underwater with that. I do want a phone with my dad.